Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Taurus. For your daily energies, career situation, and relationship, we'll be picking few cards, guys. So, first for your daily energies, Taurus, these are the cards. So, one card for your relationship and one card for your career situation, and we will turn these cards as we proceed, guys. So let's start with the daily reading first. High Priestess in reverse, King of Pentacles in reverse, and Ten of Cups in reverse. So with these cards, Taurus, in your situation today, maybe certain things in your situation, maybe in your career or personal life, you are quite stressed because this person, or maybe it is you have some kind of weakness, maybe some habits, some addictions that are stressing you, or some illness that is bothering you a lot today, guys. And you also have people who are not making enough efforts just like you, who are not having that dedication like you, and that may again affect the work potential, guys. So that may stress you a lot again, guys, because people are not doing that efforts, putting in those efforts today. And I also see that, Taurus, on certain things or certain paths, you would have had that trust that things will go in a particular way. But it is breaking all your expectations, it's breaking your faith. Or it may be a person who is breaking their trust. So all that trust and faith on you had on them is being lost, and you feel stressed because of that, Taurus. So that is also what I see, guys. And maybe on certain things, you are not having that deep knowledge. Um, so maybe it may be something to do in your career or personal life. So they want to know the secret this person has, or this person you are in connection with, they want to know your secrets, or you want to know their secrets, and you are expecting that person to come out with the truth today. So that is also what I see, guys, with these cards. Let us see, or it may be this person wants to tell you their secrets, guys. So that may also be the energy here. So let us see what is the card for your relationship. It's Two of Swords. So with this card, I see that you're making some important decisions today in your life, in your personal life, something based on the truth in your heart, that honest decision you want to make. And you're at crossroads in something, maybe for some of you, you are moving to a different place, you have to leave this person, but you're thinking within yourself whether this career position is it worthwhile to leave this person and go. So some important decisions you are making in yourself, but it is based on that truth you have, the true love you have, whether if it is true love, whether you want to sacrifice everything for this person. So you are thinking about those choices, guys. Let's see what is the card for your career situation, guys. Taurus, it's Five of Swords in reverse. So with this card in your career situation, guys, maybe certain things you would have on certain decisions or certain path, you would have made a rash decision, guys, something without deep thought, and you would have felt overconfident about this choice, overconfident about your skills, and actions, but you need to be really careful today. So things may not go as expected in your career situation, Taurus. That is what I see with these cards, guys, and that is the reading, Taurus, for your daily energy. I hope this reading resonated. If it does, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.